Friends, in today's short analysis video, we will discuss on Bristol Myers Squibb company stock. In short, it's in Bristol stock. And dear friends, this stock has broken out from an important resistance level. And along with that, there are multiple positive factors which has already been actioned, and it would allow us to capitalize an opportunity to buy this stock. We can initiate a buy position before a big upside rally gets started. Dear friends, if you'll make a closer look, this was on top where the stock had given a price-wise correction in the form of downward sloping parallel channel. And as long as the stock was trading under this downward sloping parallel channel, the stock was got engaged with price-wise correction, and there was a back-to-back lower lows. If you'll see over here, the first lower lows trigger here, the second lower lows here, and the last lower lows here. But as soon as this downward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the upper side, first time its lower lows sequence shifted to higher highs, and this is a point where the game started to change. This is an area where we got in two major positive signal. The first positive signal is downward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the upper side, and the moment this channel got trigger on the upper side, the price wise correction fall got an immediate rejection the moment this channel get break on the upper side. And secondly, the lower lows sequence get shifted to higher highs on closing basis, and whenever the lower lows get shifted to higher highs, we take that area as a confirmation that stock has completed the correction and it's ready for an upside move. And finally, we will check the third positive signal. If you place an diversion indicator, that means the RSI, you will be surprised to know that even the diversion is positive diversion over here. If you see the price action, lower swing is tilting on the downside and the RSI is tilting on the upper side, and this is an area where we got in breakout. So this will going to pump the stock on the upper side. And finally, the most important we will discuss, that will be in chart pattern. If you'll see over here, we got a beautiful chart pattern breakout, and that is a triangular chart pattern. And very soon we will see the first target will be reaching to $56, and the second target, the stock will come to fill the gap for the second target, which is at $57.65. So this is a two major target on the upper side. And my dear friends, this area of neckline will act as a strong support. Earlier it was in resistance, but now resistance turned into an important support because multiple positive factors got trigger over here. This was an area where we have seen the downward sloping parallel channel trigger on the upper side. Lower lows shifted to higher highs, and we got a positive diversion between the price action and the RSI, and the positive chart pattern breakout, that is a triangular chart pattern. So with due respect to all the positive breakouts, this area of neckline so far was in resistance, but now it has turned into an important support, and your stop loss should be below this strong support so that it won't get triggered so easily. This is it for today's analysis, my dear friends. If you really like my analysis, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.